Hi friends, Govin this side. Welcome back. This is the chapter 3 where we are going to install the Docker in our machine. So to install the Docker, first we need to download it. So to download, just type download Docker. This is the official link. Click here. And I'm using Windows operating system. That's why I'm downloading for Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can click here and download the Docker. So for Windows operating system, click here. Downloading is starting. Okay, so Docker is downloaded in our machine. So go to the folder. Now double click on this Docker icon. Say yes. Now installation is started. It is asking to create the shortcut on desktop, yes or not. So I want to create the shortcut of Docker on desktop. So I check the checkbox. Click on OK. Okay, so installation process is started. It will take a lot of time, so I pause the video. Once it's done, we'll continue. Okay, so we're done with the installation. So now close it and go to the desktop. See, shortcut is created. Okay, now open the terminal and check Docker installed properly or not. So type Docker version. Here is go. So Docker version is 20.10.22 is the latest version. So we installed the Docker successfully in our machine. In next video we will play with the Docker commands. Okay, so meanwhile you can install the Docker in our machine. So thanks for watching.